Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is about how we can get GitHub Copilot for free. So it is interesting thing that Copilot is very interesting AI because I am saying it is AI because the technique they use totally artificially intelligent based as we can run code easily and use it for free and it paid mainly, but there is a source that you can use it for free, but you must be a teacher or student because uh, GitHub Copilot is a paid plan. You can get trial for free, but if you want uh, to use it for free, first you can try trial version if you are a professional, or if you are a student and want to contribute for GitHub, then you can use GitHub free plan. Not free plan. It's basically the educational plan. So I am uh, give you the instruction and the process how you can use it. First of all, you need to go on education.github.com. So it is the uh, GitHub education platform. Here, you can see it is a future developers need. Here, all students are welcome for the global campus. So, if you are a student, then you have to go at this student page. So, first of all, you need to go education.github.com. Then visit the get student page at education.github.com. Then you need to apply if you are a student. So first of all, you need to sign up and then sign in. After sign up and sign in, you will get the interface of how to get the student pack. So here, first of all, you need to sign up. So if you are not signed up, first of all, you need to sign in. Then go to individual and get student benefit. If you are a teacher, then you can get the teacher benefit. So I am telling the process for students as I am also a student. First, let's go to the student benefit. So here it is telling about to get sign up. I am not I will not create an account here because I already have an account. So just I am telling you the process. When you have signed up, then you have to go get the benefit page. Then you have to provide your email address and you why you are want to use the student pack and your ID card of your university or college. And the most interesting fact is you have to be 13 years old or elder. So if you are suitable for it, then you can apply. Hopefully, you will get the education pack. So now I am going to my account. So this is my profile. I'm a professional or I work professionally web development and digital marketing, but I am studying in honor doing BBA. So as I am a student, I applied for the education pack. If you apply for the education pack, you will get GitHub Pro. So let me see, visit in the setting. Okay, you can see the okay. At billing page, you can see my kindly bill plan is GitHub Pro plan. It is because I am using the GitHub educational plan. That's why I'm getting GitHub Pro for free. If you want to use GitHub Pro, then you have to be a student and apply from that method. Secondly, if today's main concept of our video is GitHub Copilot. So you can see when I am visiting the billing here, I can see an option GitHub Copilot. So I can enable GitHub Copilot here. I can click and you can see here, congratulations, you are eligible to use GitHub Copilot for free. It is only because I am a student. So if you are a student and teacher, then you can easily get the free access. But keep in mind that they per month check the requirement. If you fill, then you will get. When you are not fulfill your uh, your process or your identity, then they may cut off your plan. So I'm eligible, so I will get access to GitHub Copilot. Okay. Here, select preference. You can change this at any time from your account. Suggest mapping public code. GitHub Copilot can allow or block suggestions mapping public code. So GitHub Copilot from. Okay. Allow GitHub to use my code snippet for product improvement. You can give it or not. Allow GitHub research data and third parties to use code snippets and research info. I basically no need for it, but I want they do it do their improvement, no problem. But I am not giving it now. Let's save and get started. Okay, so it is telling me to install GitHub Copilot extension to Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio. I use Visual Studio Code, so I will try GitHub Copilot on my Visual Studio Code. So first of all, I need to open Visual Studio Code. Okay, no problem. But then go to extension page. Search for GitHub Copilot here. So you can see the GitHub Copilot here. Then install. Okay. It's installing. Done. Now we can use the GitHub Copilot. No, so you can see now I have the GitHub Copilot, but make sure you have connected your account from here, and I have connected my GitHub with my Visual Studio Code. It's working. So that's it. That is the easy method to get your Copilot account for free. Then you can use it, no problem. I hope you got it, how you can get the free. It's basically for only students. This video is dedicated for the students who are learning and already studying, or for the teachers who need the Copilot. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.